Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So you enter your destination, tap go, and instead of seeing a route, you get a frustration error. No route found. Even though you know the destination exists, Waze just can't figure out how to get you there. This issue usually comes down to one of three things: your internet connection, a corrupted cache, or your phone's interaction with Android Auto. So in today's small tutorial, we wanna go through how to fix Waze no route found, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So the main problem here is maybe your internet connection. Since Waze needs a stable data connection to calculate routes, without internet the routing server can't respond. Toggle your mobile data off and on, or even try switching between Wi-Fi and data as well. If you are in an area with a weak signal, this is often the cause. Clear cache destinations. If you have been to the same place before, Waze stores the cache version of the route. If the map data for that address was updated, the old cache can conflict with the new route. In some cases, you will need to manually clear it. So tap on the search bar, find the address in your recent destinations, long press it, and delete it. Also make sure to check route filters. Sometimes the route exists, but your settings are blocking it. Tap the search bars, settings, navigation. Make sure you avoid highways and avoid tools are not checked if they are preventing the only available path. For example, here I have my settings. I also have navigation. As you see here, there's avoid toll roads, avoid freeways. Make sure all of this is off. And that's the whole idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.